In the diagram, quadrilateral DEFG is congruent to quadrilateral QMNP. A. Find the value of x, and B. Find the value of y. In this problem, you are told that quadrilateral DEFG is congruent to quadrilateral QMNP. So, because these two quadrilaterals are congruent, all their corresponding parts are congruent as well. To help you identify the corresponding parts, rotate quadrilateral QMNP as shown. Now, in part A, to find the value of x, first notice that side DE corresponds and is congruent to side QM. So, by the definition of congruent sides, the length of side DE equals the length of side QM. From the diagram, you know that the length of side DE is 8 feet and the length of side QM is x minus 2 feet. You can substitute these values in for the length of each side. To solve for x, you can add 2 to both sides of the equation. This gives you 10 equals x. Therefore, the value of x is 10. In part B, to find the value of y, first notice that angle G corresponds and is congruent to angle P. So, by the definition of congruent angles, the measure of angle G equals the measure of angle P. From the diagram, you know that the measure of angle G is 84 degrees and the measure of angle P is 3x plus 2y degrees. You can substitute these values in for the measure of each angle. Next, you found the value of x to be 10, so you can substitute 10 in for x. When you simplify, 3 times 10 gives you 30. Now, to solve for y, you can first subtract 30 from both sides of the equation. This gives you 54 equals 2y. Next, you can divide both sides of the equation by 2. This gives you 27 equals y. Therefore, the value of y is 27.